Hi, this is Mayor David Genshaw, and we're continuing to bring you updates here locally in our community. We think it's really important. So first, I'd like to have Penny Short give us an update on what's going on out at Nanticoke Hospital.
Hi, it's Penny Short again, President of Nanticoke Memorial Hospital. I thought today we'd give you some updates on some of our testing numbers. Within the inpatient or here within the hospital, we've tested 72 patients and have cared for 3 positive COVID patients. And then on the outpatient testing, we have done 154 and received 4 positive results. With that said, we have started our an additional outpatient drive-through testing process that started this week. That is with a physician order, appointment only. If you have symptoms that you feel like you may need to be tested, I encourage you to call your primary care physician, or you can also call the Department of Public Health, and they can also get that order for you. That is then sent to our schedulers here at the hospital, and then they give you an appointment time for that drive-through testing center. That's taking place on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. The other thing I wanted to mention, if you are interested in Delaware rates, please go to the Delaware Public Health website, because they update that frequently and tell you the amount of cases that are in Delaware as well as how many are in all 3 counties. The other thing that we've been really working on this week is identifying and looking at predictive modeling as to when we expect the surge of patients to arrive in our area that are positive for the COVID virus. It looks like in the last modeling that was done that we would see that in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So the plans here as we're working through that is how do we expand and prepare for the surge outside of our normal hospital numbers. So we have been working hard to make sure we've identified those additional beds and capacity that we would be able to make sure that we could care for those patients. Within the ED, if you've ridden by, you'll see trailers and a tent out in the parking lot, and that is in preparation for a surge of patients that could be coming to the emergency room. I think it's important to say this once again, and that is please, please stay home and continue to stay home. As we're preparing for the surge, if we can flatten the curve out, that's going to help on the healthcare resources and really help us to get through this even better. So thank you again. Bye.
Thanks, Penny, and really all of your employees, the hard work they're doing to take care of our community, and it just is a special effort that they're making, and we just can't thank them enough. Next, I've asked Corey Milkus to give us an update of what's going on in our school district.
Hi, this is Dr. Corey Milkus with the Seaford School District. This week, staff has been working to make contact with all of our families. These contacts will help us as a district know how to best support our families. We are also working on new learning opportunities that we will be sharing with all of our families. Some of this will be through the internet, some of this will be through some hard copies, so please be on the lookout for those, for that information. If any families need information or they have questions, please make sure you call the front office at your child's school. I just want to remind all families of our food stops. We are still currently providing meals Monday through Friday. And to remind everyone of the times, that from 10 to 10:30 we're at Concord, Dove Estates. From 10:45 to 11:15 we're at Mobile Gardens and West Seaford. At 11:30 to 12 o'clock we're at Blades Park and also the Clarence Street Church of God. At 12:05 we are at Seaford District Library and St. John's UMC. And at 12:40 to 1:10 we're at Meadowbridge Apartments and Seaford Meadows Apartments. I also have an update about kindergarten registration. Because of our COVID shutdown, we're not able to run kindergarten registration the way we have in the past. We are currently working on internal plans to make sure families can register either through the phone or online. More information will be shared with families in the coming weeks about this, so please be on the lookout. Also, the best way to stay up to date with our families is through our website at seafordbluejays.org. I hope all families stay safe and healthy during this shutdown. If you need anything, please reach out to the schools. Thank you.
Corey, again, thank you. I know these are uncertain times here at our schools, and I appreciate you staying on top of it. Thinking of our students and the teachers' efforts to reach out to them is really incredible. I do want to thank our community for pulling together through this, the companies that have stepped up, changed what they do to help meet the need of our community is really just inspiring. I think of Penco offering warehouse space to put up pallets of protected gear to help our firefighters and all of our emergency people. Just thank you so much. We're going to get through this. It looks like we have a little road ahead of us, but I have complete faith we're going to pull through this if we all do it together. So stay tuned. We'll keep you posted as we have new information, and God bless.